Hi everyone, I'm Kai from Wondershare DemoCreator, and today we're exploring the hotkeys of DemoCreator, which is an incredible demo making tool that enhances your tutorial videos. Have you ever wanted to access the features of your screen recording and video editing tool quickly? Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to show you the Wondershare DemoCreator hotkeys. With these shortcuts, you'll be able to use the features of this amazing tool super swiftly and efficiently. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then make sure you subscribe right now, and don't forget to hit the bell button to stay up to date with our latest content. So let's start the video. You can use the link in the description to download Wondershare DemoCreator. I've already installed it on my PC, so let's launch the tool. This is the first interface that you will see. Now click on this new recording mode and start recording. Now let's first show you where the entry of the short key settings is. See this small icon here? Click on it and turn to the shortcut key settings. These are the default hotkeys of Wondershare DemoCreator. And if you want to change any of these shortcuts, just click on the key here. Now you can enter any other key that you want to use for this function. Once you have changed all the shortcuts that you want, click on the Save Settings button. Now let's check these hotkeys in action. When you press the F8 key, it will switch to full screen recording. If you want to customize the recording area yourself, just drag the purple dots and resize it. Or you can choose your preferred size from our preset options here. These are for social media channels like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. When all is ready, press the F9 key from your keyboard to start the recording of your PC screen. You'll see that a timer has appeared, and when it ends, the recording will start. And if you want to pause the recording, press the F9 key. When you press the F9 key again, the recording will continue. While recording, press Shift, Control, and D on the keyboard. This shortcut activates the comprehensive screen drawing tool. It seamlessly transforms your mouse into a precise drawing pen, allowing you to effectively emphasize key messages during your recording. As you can see, I can draw anywhere on the screen. Should you wish to deactivate the tool and return your mouse to its standard cursor state, simply press Shift, Control plus D once more. If you press the Shift, Control, and F keys, the spotlight effect will be activated. Just press and hold the left mouse button. You will see a spotlight effect on the area around the mouse cursor. This allows you to seamlessly focus on and highlight specific regions of interest. Likewise, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and F again, and your mouse will return to the cursor state. When you want to finish the recording, press the F10 key. Then you can export the video directly or go to our editor for further editing jobs. Now let's click the advanced editing option and enter the editor to see the shortcut keys in action. So this is the interface of the DemoCreator editor. Click the file icon here and choose keyboard shortcuts. The settings board will pop up. You can reset the hotkeys at your preference. Next, let me show you the default settings. First, import the video clips that you want to edit. Let's say you want to copy something. Press Ctrl plus C and the selected material will be copied. And when you want to paste this copied material, press Ctrl plus V. And if you want to select all the clips on the timeline, press Ctrl plus A. See that? Everything on the timeline has been selected. If you want to delete something, select it and hit the del button on your screen. Here, I've just deleted the first clip. Now, there are many times that we may accidentally delete something. In that case, you don't need to worry because you can just press Ctrl Z to undo the last action. While if you press Ctrl and Y, then this is the hotkey to redo things. Press the S key and you can split the selected clip into two parts. If you want to adjust the timeline scale, hit the timeline area and press Shift plus Z. You can also press Ctrl plus the plus sign or Ctrl plus the minus sign to zoom in or zoom out on the timeline. You probably know that video editing can be a tedious and time-consuming process. To free your hands, DemoCreator allows you to group multiple clips and edit them in a batch. Just hold the right mouse button and drag. Then you can select multiple clips in a batch. Group them by pressing the Ctrl plus G keys and ungroup them with the Ctrl plus U keys. Next, let's talk about the hotkeys of the canvas. To initiate video playback, there are two options. Simply click the play button or press the space key. Pressing space again will halt the playback. If you wish to start the video from the beginning for a fresh preview, press Ctrl+//. You can also press the forward arrow or the back arrow keys to move forward or backward in your playback. For zooming in on the canvas, you can utilize the Ctrl+Shift+ button keyboard shortcuts. Conversely, you can press Ctrl+Shift and minus to zoom out. To save a project, press Ctrl+S and it will automatically save to the pre-selected location. But if you want to change the location before saving a project, press Ctrl+Shift+S. Now you can select a location to save the project to your computer. After saving the project, if you want to create a new project, then press Ctrl+N on your keyboard and a new project will be opened automatically. To open any saved project from your computer, press Ctrl+O, browse and select the saved project. Now click on this Open button and there you have it. Our saved Wondershare DemoCreator project has been opened again. What a journey we've had together today. We've gone through the basic hotkeys in Recorder and Editor within Wondershare's DemoCreator. We've also shown you how to customize them if you want to. These shortcuts can save you a lot of time and effort in your video projects. So why not give Wondershare DemoCreator a try yourself? You can download Wondershare DemoCreator from the link in the description below and also try these hotkeys for yourself. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recording and editing tips, and I will catch you in the next video.